Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, media. So today, our group will present about the production of biogas from Pome, which is palm oil mill effluent. First of all, I'm going to introduce my team. The first one is Naima Nuraini binti Mus Farzan. Second one is Nurul Fatiha binti Abdul Nasir. And then the third one is me, Siti Marsha Emilia. And the last one is Cik Ros Syafiqah Izzati.
Modern epoch, palm oil has been the essential product and it is a very high worldwide demand compared to another oil. According to the data from 2015 to 2023, the worldwide demand has been increased significantly and Malaysia become one of the palm oil supplier mainly for United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Bangladesh, Egypt and Turkey. Palm oil is widely used in several fields such as food industry, cosmetics and detergent production, and some has been used for biofuel. It also contains saturated and unsaturated fats, vitamin E, beta-carotene, where vitamin E acts as antioxidant and provide aid in cells protection from being damaged by free radicals, which is it's usually formed when bodies converting the food into energy, and beta-carotene helps to provide strong immune system and healthy skin. Plus, it also will bring significant benefits to its human as it can help to aid malaria, high blood pressure, high cholesterol and cyanide poisoning. On the contrary, production of palm oil will produce a lot of byproduct which is account to 80% of their production.
So this is our process flow diagram for our production, which is production of biogas from Pome.
So here is our process description for PFD. The first one is feed tank. So of course, all of the production will begin with the feed tank where foam and water will be combined. So this tank will utilize a mixer to enhance homogeneity of all inputs if utilized. And then the prepared feed from this feed tank will be transferred into mixing tank for further processing. The second part is mixing tank. So this tank will receive the feed mixture from the feed tank. Okay, and then the outfit with strong mixer will ensure the feed is well blended and then ready for fermentation. So the slurry feed pump subsequently sends the well mixed feed to the digester tank. So this phase is actually critical for maintaining the homogeneity in the feed and for optimization of the fermentation process. Okay, and then the sample point in the mixing tank will be monitors and controls by the slurry quality to comply with the slurry's quality before it reach the digester.
Anaerobic digestion process happen in digester tank. Digester will eat waste product and turn them into energy and fertilizer. They avoid greenhouse gas emissions from decaying organic matter and instead generate renewable electricity, heat buildings, or fuel transport. In this process, it involves organic substances such as Pome. There are 4 successive stages, which is hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. Hydrolysis is the first step in the conversion of organic material to biogas. In this stage, certain bacteria break down organic polymers like carbohydrates into simple sugar so that the next group of bacteria can further process the material. Acetogenesis is the second step in the conversion of organic material to biogas. In this stage, certain bacteria called acetogenic bacteria convert the simple sugars and amino acid into carbon dioxide, hydrogen, ammonia, and organic acid. Acetogenesis is the third step in the conversion of organic materials to biogas. In this stage, certain bacteria called acetogenic bacteria convert the organic acid into acetic acid, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen. The last one is methanogenesis, which is the final step in the conversion of organic material to biogas. In this stage, certain single-cell organisms called methanogens convert the intermediate product produced in the preceding stage into biogas, primarily methane and carbon dioxide. The solid and liquid leftover from this process, digested, consists of material that the microbes cannot use, as well as dead bacteria.
Next is the gravity thickener, which is simple to operate and maintain. Gravity thickeners generally retain 80% to 90% of the solids in the thickened product streams. Gravity thickening increases the solid concentration by allowing the particles to settle to the base of the vessel, producing a concentrated solid stream at the vessel base and a supernatant stream at the surface. According to our PFD, the digested slurry enters the gravity thickeners and the thickened slurry is sent to the slush tank. Next, the process will be continued with the biogas tank, consists of external membrane, which is the rubber membrane, where its function is to form a visible round contour of the tank, internal membranes and bottom membranes to enclose the actual gas space. There are also blowers in the between inner and outer membrane to provide an efficient air regulation in gas input and output. Next is compressor. We use the biogas compressor employs intricate mechanism to precisely elevate the pressure of biogas. The compressor receives raw biogas from the biogas tank and then it will compress the gas to a higher pressure. By compressing the gas, its volume will decrease and then the compressed biogas is supplied to an electrical generator, which is the final stage of the production of biogas from Pome. The conversion of biogas to electric power by a generator set is much more practical, so that the generator will convert the chemical energy in the biogas into electrical energy to the industry. And finally is slush tank, which is the thickened slurry from the gravity thickener is routed to a slush tank where it's filter processes and transformed into fertilizer. The slush feed pump adds the transmission of the thickened slurry and then the sludge is contain nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium.
As a conclusion, waste can be averted by turning it into something that is useful towards others to ensure the sustainability of a product to remain excellent. Any initiative can be used to avert waste, such as doing the 3R principle, which is reduce, reuse, and recycle, composting where it can be used to help the growth of the plant, or by incinerating all the waste. So as a consequences, our earth can be safe and the production of palm oil will be more efficient. The byproduct that has been produced during the extraction of palm oil astoundingly has a myriad of functions that can contribute to the increasing of our country income. So, we are hoping that every palm oil plant can take an action by making this as another production to ensure the waste effluent from the plant can be reduced efficiently.